Hi everyone, Shaun White here, 3-time Olympic gold medalist in half-pipe snowboarding. I'm proud to announce that I've worked with Insta360 to create the Shaun White Snow Kit. It has classic accessories like the chest strap and some cool new ones like the Action Invisible Selfie Stick. You're getting this entire sort of panoramic circumference of what's going on around you, and you can pick and choose the angles that you want. I think that's half the fun, I would say, at least. Half the fun is getting the content, and then the other half is like going back and editing and going through it and actually seeing what this camera can do. Shaun White here to capture your best shots this winter season with Insta360.